Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you suffering from the weak Wi-Fi signal in all over your home since few days? Then don't worry, today we will solve this problem. In today's video we will learn how to factory reset the TP Link AC1200 Extender in very easy steps. So watch this video till the end. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. Firstly, we will discuss why is it necessary to reset the extender. It is necessary to reset the TP Link AC1200 Extender when it stops working properly, forgets the connection, or you want to remove old settings. Resetting clears all errors and restores the device to factory defaults, so you can set it up fresh with your Wi-Fi again. Now plug the TP Link AC1200 Extender into a wall socket. Make sure it is powered on and the LEDs are stable. Look for a small recessed hole labeled Reset or WPS/Reset, often on the side or bottom. If it's labeled WPS/Reset, note, a short press, 1 to 2s, triggers WPS, a long press, 8 to 10s, triggers factory reset. You may need a paper clip, pin, or needle to press it. Use a pointed object, like a paper clip. Press and hold the reset button for about 8 to 10 seconds until you see the LEDs on the extender blink or turn off and then turn back on. On some TP Link models you may need to hold up to 12 to 15 seconds if nothing happens immediately. After you release the reset button, the extender will reboot automatically. Do not unplug the extender. Reboot and configuration restore usually take about 1 to 2 minutes, sometimes up to 3. You'll know it's done when the power LED becomes steady again and the normal LED pattern returns. After a reset, you can set up your TP Link AC1200 Extender either by pressing the WPS button on your router and extender to connect automatically, or by connecting to the extender's default Wi-Fi name and completing the setup through tplinkrepeater.net. This will link the extender to your home Wi-Fi and extend the signal. Now reset is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.